Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Onshape tutorial how to move part. So as example, we have this two part 1 and part 2. If you want to move part 1, you can use these tools, transforms, and then you can select for the part object. I will select this part. Now you need to set for the transfer forms. So I will choose transfer by distance and I will click at this direction, this line. Now you can set the distance, like I will set into 40. You can click OK to apply. So the object will be moved 40. You can click again, transform in here. And if you want to move to the top, you can change again for transfer by distance. And I will click at this edge. Now you can move to the top like this. You can change direction by clicking in here, move to the bottom, or you can move to the top. So we set into 100, click OK. Okay, that's it for basic Onshape tutorial, how to move part. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.